Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At MediaTek, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. An accidental listing on POCO's official Belgian website has prematurely revealed the pricing and core specifications for the upcoming POCO X8 Pro and POCO X8 Pro Max. Although the listings were quickly removed, the leak confirms that POCO is continuing its established strategy of rebranding China-exclusive hardware, the Redmi Turbo 5 and Turbo 5 Max, for the global market. Key technical specifications feature: POCO X8 Pro, POCO X8 Pro Max display 6.59-inch AMOLED, 1.5K, 6.83 AMOLED, 1.5K. Processor MediaTek Dimensity 8500, MediaTek Dimensity 9500s, battery 6, 500 mAh, 500 mAh, charging 100W, fast charging 100W, fast charging, main camera 50MP, OIS, 50MP, OIS, peak brightness 3, 500 nits, 3, 500 nits. Performance and display. Both devices feature high-end display tech, including a 120Hz refresh rate, 3840Hz PWM dimming to reduce eye strain, and a massive peak brightness of 3500 nits. The primary differentiator is the chipset. The Pro Max variant utilizes the more powerful Dimensity 9500s, justifying its higher price point compared to the Dimensity 8500 found in the standard Pro. Photography and battery life. POCO has opted for a quality over quantity approach to photography, utilizing a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, an 8MP ultrawide lens, and a 20MP selfie camera, notably, while Chinese variants, Redmi, may feature batteries up to 9000 mAh, the global POCO models are capped at 6500 mAh and 8500 mAh respectively due to international safety regulations. Despite this adjustment, the combination of efficient 4nm processors and high-capacity cells suggests an industry-leading 2-day battery life. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.